Save $500 monthly with smart budgeting techniques. Saving $500 a month requires tracking expenses, adopting the 50/30/20 rule, and cutting discretionary spending by roughly $16 to $17 daily. Effective methods include automating transfers to a high-yield savings account, meal planning to reduce groceries, canceling subscriptions, and boosting income via side hustles. Here is a breakdown of smart budgeting strategies to achieve this goal. Create a detailed budget and track expenses. Audit your spending. Use apps or spreadsheets to track every dollar, identifying where to cut. Use the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Zero-based budgeting. Allocate every dollar of income to specific categories, including savings, at the start of the month. Cut monthly expenses, reduce food costs, plan meals to avoid food waste, buy in bulk, and limit eating out. Review subscriptions, cancel unused streaming services, gym memberships, or apps. Lower utility bills, use energy-efficient appliances and adjust thermostat settings. Negotiate bills, call service providers for internet, cable, or insurance to secure better rates. Implement savings habits, automate savings, set up automatic transfers to a savings account immediately after receiving pay. Set specific goals, define what the $500 is for example, emergency fund, vacation, to stay motivated. Daily challenges, break the $500 down to roughly $17 a day, encouraging small, daily savings. Boost income and optimize, sell unused items, declutter and sell items online to generate extra cash. Increase income, consider a side hustle or overtime to accelerate savings. Use cashback apps, use tools that offer rebates on essential purchases. By consistently applying these techniques, a $500 monthly saving goal is achievable.